Hello guys, so after 3 months of just working, no breaks, no holidays, no vacations, no days off, I just took 2 days off actually. So after this tiring 3 months and a half, I decided to why not to take a holiday, take time off, chill and have fun. So I decided to go to Calgary, from Calgary to Banff, then to Vancouver. So I have a whole week vacation. It's gonna be awesome. Look who's here. He wanna say bye bye. He's waiting for me to get down. What, Adam, you wanna say bye bye? Wanna tell me bye? Yeah. You give me a kiss? Kiss me. Kiss me. I love you.
Bye.
Mwah. 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 I love you, Adam.
I love you.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay guys, so I'm in the airport. I checked in my backpack, the big one. I finished everything at the airport. I'm just waiting for my flight now. It's gonna be in an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait here. So everything is done. I'm on my way to the craft. So let's go to Calgary. Okay, so Ala is here. Going to the car. We're gonna do some stuff tonight. So stay tuned. So here's Ala. We're in Calgary. Start in English. I started doing it in English. No Arabic.
تلفونين اخرى برنة.
طيب
ما شاء الله عليكم.
Okay. Here's my uncle's calling now. So
السلام عليكم.
we're gonna do something. Now to the best part of Calgary, which is Jerusalem shawarma. That's why I'm in Calgary. Look who's the cashier here. Dia, say hi. This is Dia, Ala's brother. He works at the shawarma place. Shawarma's here. Hey guys, good morning. So we slept yesterday after a long night and a beautiful night, and now I'm gonna wake up and have a nice day. Hi, Dia Matiha. Dia is sleeping. Let's show you their view. Look at this view, guys. Look at the world. So guys, we're done and on our way to the car, and we're going to Banff today. Guys, look at this. اوكي، للي بيعرفش، في الطريق لليك لويس في هدول الجسور هذول اللي هن بمدن الغابة في بعض. على ليش هذول الجسور تعرف انت؟ عشان الحيوانات يمرقوا، يعني يقطعوا الشارع بدل ما يندهسوا، وبرضه عشان الطبيعة تقدر تتمدد بين بعض، ما يقطعوش
الله على الطبيعة. الله الله
ما يقطعوش نسل الطبيعة.
الله على الطبيعة.
هذا كان معكم الأستاذ علاء إزميرو.
دكتور
Professor علاء إزميرو. So after 15 minutes of looking for a parking lot, we found one and we parked the car. So now we're in Lake Louise. We're gonna go there, check the kayaks and have some fun. Oh my god guys, this is crazy here. This is amazing.
طلع مشتريها جايب كربو معه. زين.
We should go our والله دي انت كنت صح. Look, the water is so clear. We're gonna try to see the kayaks here and ride one. So we're taking the boat here.
So we do have a scale here.
Yeah.
So can we just
There's
go and weigh
Ala.
them, make sure it's all safe?
So we're ready to go. So guys, we're in. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh man, this is crazy. الكرب شلف شلف Awesome. How was it, Dia?
Awesome.
Ala, how was it? Ala is always on his phone, like a robot. Doesn't see anything, just his phone. So yeah, it was very beautiful. We got some ice cream because we're freaking hungry. And I got my favorite thing, Oreo sandwich. Look at this view, guys. So guys, now we're going to Banff because we just finished here in Lake Louise, and we're going to Banff because I'm starving. I want to eat. And now we're in Banff. There is, I forgot the name of this lake here, but look at this. It's amazing. And now to one of the best places in Banff, which is BirthDay. I will show you that. Okay, we're done with Banff and Lake Louise and all this area. We're heading now to Calgary to eat shawarma again or something, whatever they want, and to sleep because I'm so tired, and we are so tired. Okay guys, so today Ala has a business meeting for like 2 or 3 hours. Business meeting, and he's gonna like follow us. We're on our way to the car, and then we're going to the shooting range today. We're gonna fire. And that's
Let's
it.
have fun.
Yeah. الله الله على الحمص والشاي والفول والفلافل والشاورما في نص كندا. الله. We arrived to the shooting center here. See, here it is. We arrived. We're gonna shoot some chickens.
19 is good.
Is it 19?
No, it's 17. Yeah. Let's take 17. Let's go for the 17. Yeah.
17?
Yeah.
Here I am. I got one in the X and one headshot and all this.
The all of the stomach.
Yeah, the X is what we call a bullseye.
Oh yeah. So we're done. Everything's good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's go. We're going now to do something else. It was amazing. I'm so excited. We're here in Chinook Mall. Dia doesn't want me to buy t-shirt because it's fucking dirty. This t-shirt. So yeah, we're here in Chinook Mall. We're gonna just hang out here. After 2 hours hanging out in the mall, now we are, I don't know where we're going. Ala knows. Or Dia. We're sitting in downtown Calgary, eating Tormas of fool. Tormason. Chilling. Tiramisu. Chilling and having some fun. And that's it.
انت جاي مع الشمال انت جاي مع الشمال وعلى اليمين 3 مرات.
This city is so cool. Like as a guy who lives in Grand Prairie, to come here, it's crazy. So now Ala needs to buy some groceries from Seven Foods here, and then we're gonna go home. I'm so tired. Like look at my eyes. I'm very tired. And tomorrow I have my flight to Vancouver. So by the time you see this video, this vlog, I'm gonna be in the flight, in the plane, going to Vancouver to see Omar and Mo. So it's gonna be lots of fun the next 4 or 5 days. So yeah, let's continue now.